Okay, hey campers, we're going to try and make some noise out of the bike today. I've bypassed the fuel pump. No, the carbs are all primed, they've already taken a heap of fuel into them. Alright, my lovely assistant Harley is helping me. We have shit. It's never straightforward. What's doing, Harley?
I don't know.
It's alright. There's the old Dremel stand. Sort of wants to work, that'll do. Don't have to tight it. Around there. No, it's going to pop off there again. A bit too much. There we go. Alright. Just leave it up. So our fuel, we have power, we've got lights. See if she turns over. I'll give her a bit of choke, she hasn't started in a while. Starter clutch doesn't sound real happy there, but hopefully it'll work through. Well, battery's going flat. We might have to come back to it when we get a bit of charge in it. Okay, so I'll let the battery charge a little bit, and I've also tested the compression. We're down on compression on number 1. Hopefully it's just a stuck valve. That might free itself once we get it going, if we can get it going. Now my battery has nearly had it, so I don't expect to get too much winding out of it. Battery's nearly had it again. Don't get much out of it. We'll give it a few more minutes and we'll give it another go. Alright.
Back over
See how
again,
we
go.
go. Yeah. Right. Running low on battery again. It's not going to fire now. Charge her up again.
Let's charge her.
I just happened to walk past and I thought I'll give the button a press and we got noise. Great noise, but it's noise. I think we're only running on 3 cylinders.